72 coming to you from Sulfur City Homestead. Just wanted to do a quick video on our rain catchment system. We have two 275-gallon IBC totes, and they were already black. Many people wrap these in black plastic. I was fortunate enough to find them and cut some work out, so no algae growth here. What we did here is we made a first flush system, and that's just a 4-inch schedule 40, and there's a clean out down on the bottom. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, but we'll try and look really close there, and you'll see a Gatorade bottle. Now if you look back up here, that is a 4-inch to 3-inch reducer, and that Gatorade bottle fits snugly right up inside of there, so when the water fills up the 4-inch, it cuts off and makes all the water go through the diverter, which comes right through here into the tanks. Then we have the manifold, and that keeps the tanks even and filling up at the same time. Inside of this tank over here we have a 1/4 horse submersible pump, and it goes to our nice little rolled hose. We've got quite a distance to the garden, so using the totes for gravity feed just wasn't feasible at this point in time, so pump works out pretty good. There is the scrap shack in progress. That's going to be our go-to room. It's going to be an off-grid system, so we're going to have heating and electricity, so if anything ever happens and we're still able to get to that, we don't have to worry about the grid. So anyways, that's just a quick video on the rain catchment system, and we'll have a couple more videos coming to you soon. Thanks a lot, YouTube, and remember, we're prepping for life.